Do you want to reverse your videos using the CapCut editing app? If you're looking to reverse your videos for TikTok, Instagram, or other social media platforms using CapCut, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to reverse them in just a few seconds, so make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid missing any steps. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Let's reverse our video in CapCut. Before you open CapCut, make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Now, open CapCut on your device and create a new project by tapping the plus symbol button. Then, add the video you want to reverse. For this demonstration, I'll reverse a specific part of the video. To do that, I'll make a split near the middle of the clip, delete the second part, and then duplicate the first part. Now, I have two identical clips. The first one will remain normal, but I want the second one reversed. Select the video clip you want to reverse. Scroll down until you see the reverse button, and tap on it. CapCut will begin reversing your video. This could take a few seconds or minutes, depending on the video length. And there you have it. I've successfully reversed my video in CapCut. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to leave a comment below and give the video a like. It would mean a lot. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.